In industrial cleaning and galvanization, the decisive factor for the quality of manufacturing is the optimum surfactant concentration of the bath. As a result of contamination or absorption, the concentration of free surfactants in the bath decreases. Thus, regularly monitoring the bath becomes necessary in order to achieve the best possible results. Introducing the Kruss Bubble Pressure Tensiometer, BPT Mobile, which gives you the results you need for superb quality control in a matter of seconds by precisely measuring the dynamic surface tension of your baths. On site, on the go, and without the need for a PC or tablet. See how easy it is. Immerse the capillary of the BPT Mobile directly into the bath, or into a sample solution removed from the bath, and then start the measurement with a single click. As soon as the measurement is complete, you can see at a glance whether the measured value lies within the predefined quality range. The value can also be displayed graphically on a diagram, along with previous values, in order to illustrate the trend in the surfactant content. It is now easy to accurately predict when redosing is necessary or the bath needs to be replaced. The BPT Mobile software has a user-friendly interface and an intuitive navigation similar to that of a smartphone. This effectively rules out measurement errors due to incorrect operation. The touch function of the 5-inch color display makes the instrument very practical, as most of the functions can be accessed directly and quickly. The display also comes to life easily when touched with a lab glove, making it suitable for laboratory use. The ergonomic design makes the instrument easy to handle, and the compact and lightweight construction provides ultimate mobility. In order to check the quality of cleaning and galvanic baths, the BPT Mobile measures the dynamic surface tension of the bath at a constant surface age. It is capable of taking measurements over an extremely wide surface age range, from 10 up to 30,000 milliseconds. In this way, both very fast and very slow-acting surfactants can be measured. The instrument also takes precise measurements while held by hand thanks to the intelligent pressure control, making it essentially independent of the depth to which the capillary is immersed. This virtually eliminates variations which result from different people using the unit. Thanks to the large, built-in storage, the instrument provides practically unlimited space for millions of measurements. But that's not all. The BPT Mobile works with easily replaceable, disposable capillaries, which is an advantage when using highly contaminating samples. This makes the time-consuming cleaning of capillaries a matter of the past. The instrument can record a live value over time so that the effect of temperature on the surface tension of a surfactant solution can also be precisely analyzed. The instrument also performs the important preparatory step of determining the suitable surface age for the solution. This means that the quality control routine analysis parameters can be defined without the need for another instrument. Thanks to the simple measuring procedure and the graphical analysis of results in the instrument itself, monitoring, cleaning, and galvanizing baths is fast and cost-effective. All this, combined with maximum mobility, means that our bubble pressure tensiometer, BPT Mobile, helps you to reach the next level of quality control.